inputs coming in. There's a big twist in this case. The cops have blamed the family for delay in registering the FIR and have once again ruled out the racial attack angle. So the cops are blaming the family for delay in FIR. They are saying tribe not notified in Uttarakhand. So sections were not added initially. As far as the angle of racial attack is concerned, which the family emphasizes on, the cops are ruling it out. We have more breaking inputs in fact coming in. We confronted the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhami, who has also rejected the racial attack claim. So as justice for Angel Chakma grows, the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, along with the police that's investigating the case, have both ruled out the angle of racial attack.
देखिए, उत्तराखंड राष्ट्रभक्ति का एक बड़ा केंद्र है। यहाँ से हर परिवार से कोई सेना में है, कोई पैरामिलिट्री में है और लाखों बच्चे, लाखों स्टूडेंट यहाँ शिक्षा के लिए आते हैं। यहाँ पर इस प्रकार की कोई बात नहीं है।
जी पर सर, एंजल जी के पिताजी भी बीएसएफ में ही थे, पर बार बार वो ये कह रहे हैं कि एफआईआर में भी डिले हुआ है और एसएसपी मना कर रहे हैं कि रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ है। क्या ये नस्ली तरीके से नहीं देखा जा रहा है?
इस प्रकार का बिल्कुल, देखिए, इस प्रकार की घिनौनी बातें हमारे यहाँ बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती हैं। ये हमारा राज्य पूरे सभी को आत्मसात करने वाला राज्य है। यहाँ पर इस प्रकार की घटना का कोई मतलब नहीं। पूरे देश के लोगों को आत्मसात यहाँ के लोगों ने किया है, देवभूमि के लोगों ने किया है। और
बच्चों का कहना है पर ऐसे पहले भी हुआ है और पॉलिसीज की जरूरत है।
देखिए, जहाँ शक्ति की जरूरत है हम शक्ति करेंगे, लेकिन आप अपना क्वेश्चन कम पूछिए, मेरे से ज्यादा पूछिए, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको।
Let's go across to Kritika now. Kritika, on one hand you have the cops who are ruling out the racial attack angle. On the other, when you ask the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, even he is saying Devbhoomi mein aisa nahi ho sakta. But the parents emphasize, they maintain that racial attack is the angle. They're also saying that, you know, it was not in the spur of the moment. They also believe that this was perhaps pre-planned.
Yes, Swati, we heard the Chief Minister also completely deny racism as far as the death of Angel Chakma is concerned. We have heard from Michael, we have heard from his uncle as well, and from his father, all of whom have maintained that this is what had happened, that racial slurs were being thrown around, and a confrontation regarding the same happened, which then later led to the critical injuries that Angel sustained, which ultimately led to his death. However, both the SSP and now the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand himself have denied any racism charges. In fact, the Chief Minister has also gone ahead to say that such disgusting things do not happen in the state at all. This is also coming in at a moment wherein we have spoken to the Northeast Student Association students as well, who have been living here, some for 1 year, some for 6 years, and even in this range of time also, a lot of them, almost all of them, had instances of racism that they've faced in this very city of Dehradun in Uttarakhand itself.
Right.
So definitely there is complete denial.
That you had. Kritika, the conversation that you had with the Northeast Student Association, let's listen in.
Here in Dehradun, the Northeast Student Association is very angry with the way in which the SSP of Dehradun has said that the current case, the investigation regarding the death of Angel Chakma, is not one of racial abuse. We're currently being joined by representatives from the association. So you tell me, you are yourself also from Tripura. Have you ever faced any instance of racism here in Dehradun?
अभी कुछ दिन just recently we had organized the Tring Festival, so-called New Year Bisi Katal. Recently that we have a stall of executive members there, and some of the unknown individuals, persons, they just came and just taking videos and saying us that, hey, look, like they're criticizing us. So that's how now the things happen with same thing to brothers Angel Chakma also. Same thing, it had happened.
He should understand what we get in Dehradun, because there are more than 100 more than 30 plus students are in Dehradun right now. Yeah. So everyone is facing this same situation. I was here from last 6 years. I have also faced this situation. So this is not like a simple issue, or this is not a governance issue. This is a national issue. So the government of Uttarakhand should provide some important laws and to make some important laws so that we can come here and we can study here.
The incident took me like the incident get many attention. So now the like maybe like police and all they like just divert like the case like it is diverting the case like from racism to like from some personal issues like.
Right.
But in my opinion, it's like totally racist.
It's completely racist, is what you're saying.
From outside the body, everyone is seeing that the Uttarakhand government is trying to hide this and trying to make this a political issue.
So you heard the reaction. The Students Association believe everyone wants to turn this into a political issue. The cops are ruling out the racial attack angle, and so is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand.
देखिए, उत्तराखंड राष्ट्रभक्ति का एक बड़ा केंद्र है। यहाँ से हर परिवार से कोई सेना में है, कोई पैरामिलिट्री में है और लाखों बच्चे, लाखों स्टूडेंट यहाँ शिक्षा के लिए आते हैं। यहाँ पर इस प्रकार की कोई बात नहीं है।
जी पर सर, एंजल जी के पिताजी भी बीएसएफ में ही थे, पर बार बार वो ये कह रहे हैं कि एफआईआर में भी डिले हुआ है और एसएसपी मना कर रहे हैं कि रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ है। क्या ये नस्ली तरीके से नहीं देखा जा रहा है?
इस प्रकार का बिल्कुल देखिए, इस प्रकार की घिनौनी बातें हमारे यहाँ बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती हैं। ये हमारा राज्य पूरे सभी को आत्मसात करने वाला राज्य है। यहाँ पर इस प्रकार की घटना का कोई मतलब नहीं। पूरे देश के लोगों को आत्मसात यहाँ के लोगों ने किया है, देवभूमि के लोगों ने किया है और
बच्चों का कहना है पर ऐसे पहले भी हुआ है और पॉलिसीज की जरूरत है।
देखिए, जहाँ शक्ति की जरूरत है हम शक्ति करेंगे, लेकिन आप अपना क्वेश्चन कम पूछिए, मेरे से ज्यादा पूछिए, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको।
Kritika continues to be with us on the broadcast. Kritika, the students are citing incidents that have taken place. They have reason to believe that this is a case of racial attack on Angel. On the other hand, the authorities keep denying. Why are they continuously denying? Let the investigation proceed and see.
Well, of course, this is what is right now turning out to be like a thorn in the entire situation, because on the one hand the SSP continues to say that the investigation is underway. If it is underway, then why jump the gun and completely deny the racism and the racial abuse charges? What had happened as far as the Chakma family is concerned, as far as the testimony of Michael is concerned, is that this group was making racially insensitive remarks, and Angel and Michael had then confronted them. The verbal confrontation later led to a physical altercation, which was started by the accused group as well. Now, the police says the entire confrontation as well as the racial remarks, if any, which were being made, were first of all, only restricted to the accused group. It was not directed towards Angel or his brother Michael. They only got themselves involved in this situation when they heard, and they were misunderstood in feeling that these remarks were directed towards them. The second point that the police is making is that because one of the accused is from Manipur, the other also hails from Nepal. Right. That is why this cannot be considered as a racism incident.
And it's not just about the angle of racial attack. The cops are also blaming the family for a delay in registration of the FIR. Let's listen into the SSP. Kritika, stay on with us.
हमारी तरफ से जो लीगल प्रोसेस है हमने उसको फॉलो किया है एंड मैंने भी इसको रिव्यू किया है, इसीलिए किया कि क्यों डिले 28 आवर्स का डिले जो अभी मैं देख रहा था, तो 20 आवर्स का डिले तो विक्टिम फैमिली की तरफ से हुआ। मे बी रीजंस बहुत सारे उसके होते हैं। कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन कंट्रोल रूम में अगर आती तो डेफिनेटली उस मौके पर भी अटेंड कर लिया जाता। तो एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और जो भी साक्ष्य आ रहे हैं हम उस पर काम करेंगे और हम ओपन है, हर तरह की जो भी चीजें आ रही है उसको टेक डाउन करेंगे और जिससे कि एक फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, फेयर ट्रायल हो।
Thank you, Kritika, for getting us the details. Keep tracking all the developments. So we're slipping into a very short break.